Tea house with traditional wooden formwork. Stage 1 Formwork design. Stage 2 Upper floor and architectural design. Stage 3 Finishes. Introduction. In the field of construction, procedures and materials play a fundamental role in ensuring that architectural projects are developed precisely and efficiently. Stage 1 Objective. Identify materials and construction resources as a fundamental elements by analyzing these properties and characteristics and applying them in a three-dimensional model. This aims to distinguish optimization mechanisms in the construction processes of a specific project and draw conclusions about the structural performance of the aforementioned elements. Base grid for the creation of plywood. A grid with elements measuring 1.22 by 1.22 within the diameter was considered. The elements was runners, elements that support the shores, wedges used to level all the spots. Shores, a key element in formwork that bears all the load and transfer it to the ground. Braces, these elements keep all the shores connected. Girder beams, primarily provide central support to other beams or shores. Stringers, uniformly distribute the weight to prevent low concentrations. Formwork assembly. Once all the props and braces were installed, the girders were positioned. As they were installed, it was confirmed that the bracing was aligned. Girders were then nailed perpendicular to the main girders, resulting in maximum structural rigidity and stability, providing its load capacity and resistance without a doubt. Here we can see the image 1 that it's the finally plywood panels and meters were placed. In the image 2, the structure's leveling was also verified. In the image 3, girders and bracing. And the 4 was the perimeter framework entrance. The elevations of the rodeo. Stage 2, upper floor design of the tea house formwork. Here we can see the slab area and the assembly of reinforcements, the structural plan, and the triangles of the formwork. Trusses, load distribution, formation of triangles, stability in lightweight structures, and these elements used to distribute loads and improve the rigidity of a building or model. Analogous case. This house combines materials such as stone and wood with a minimalist design that emphasizes openness and natural light. Concept: refuge of tranquility. The tea house is an intimate and cozy space that invites introspection and connection with the natural environment. Inspired by traditional wooden cabins, it combines structural simplicity with functional design, highlighting the harmony between humans and nature. A space designed to disconnect, simplify, and reconnect with the essentials, whether through contact with nature or the tea ceremony. Stage 3 Finishes. The model received opportunities for improvement in the received model. A structural solution. Proposed adjustments and enhancements were suggested to improve the structural solution and reinforce critical areas requiring additional strength. The scale was 1/50. Scale was chosen to adequately represent the overall design. In this image, the third one, we can see reinforcement of armatures. In the fourth, reinforced structure, and the last one, reinforced structure complete view, top views, and details. Proportional uniformity. Adjustments were made to elements that may have lost their original proportions during modeling. Stairs. The design and construction of the stairs were optimized to enhance access and aesthetics. Model finishes. Roofs. Simulate with white foam, board, and battery paper to represent dense glass, a real construction material known for its water, fire, and model resistance, offering a clean and durable finish. Outlets and fixtures. Simulate in the model to create a functional environment. In real construction, these are essential for practical and habitable spaces. Plumbing and sanitary system include sinks and basic systems like the BAP system to simulate complete installations. Electrical integration. Simulate outlets and fixtures, add functionality and realism to the model. Furniture. A layout was established with a kitchenette on the left side and tables arranged around it. This arrangement achieves harmony in circulation and sunlight exposure while blending the materiality with external components, creating a relaxing atmosphere. In these two photos, we can see the railings and structure and the structure right side view. And here we can see the simulation model in different positions. Here we can see the simulation model in the front view in perspective with lining details. Recommendations. Optimization of reinforcements. Adjust the design to evaluate areas or higher load and stress. Resistance and flexibility testing. Conduct load and bending test on balsa wood to verify performance and ensure functionality. Space adaptation. Adjust internal layouts early in the process and monitor continuously to correct errors promptly. Element placement. Positions pins at an angle to avoid structural weakening. Work organization. Purchase materials in advance to avoid the delays due to shortage. Conclusions. This project allowed for identifying and analyzing the importance of formwork and reinforcement in construction. With materials like balsa wood, we design lightweight, flexible, and resistant structural elements suited to our goals. By scaling the structures, we successfully model components from formwork to preliminary finishes, deepening our understanding of their practical applications.